Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of mortgages with our topic. What is a mortgage lender? Especially in 2025, when home buying is more tech-driven than ever. If you're thinking about buying a house or just curious about how it all works, you're in the right place. Let's break this down step by step. First off, a mortgage lender is a financial institution or company that provides loans to help people buy property, like homes or land. Think of them as the bridge between your dream home and your wallet. Without them, most folks couldn't afford a house outright because properties are expensive. How does it work? When you apply for a mortgage, the lender assesses your credit score, income, and debt to decide if you're a reliable borrower. If approved, they give you the loan amount, and you pay it back over time with interest. It's like renting your house from the bank until you've paid it off. In 2025, many lenders use AI and online platforms to make this process faster and more efficient, cutting down approval times from weeks to days. There are different types of mortgage lenders out there. You've got traditional banks, credit unions, online lenders, and even government-backed options like FHA loans. Each has its perks. For example, online lenders might offer lower rates, while banks provide personalized advice. Why should you care? Mortgage lenders aren't just about loans. They help you build wealth through homeownership. Plus, with rising interest rates in 2025, choosing the right lender could save you thousands. Always compare rates, read the fine print, and consider getting pre-approved to strengthen your offer when house hunting. In summary, a mortgage lender is your key to unlocking property ownership. If you're ready to take the next step, do your research and consult a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.